Okay, now you can take gear forward.
Woo!
Here we go!
Tá in Tokyo agus tá bhí céim fá mar tá ag teistil timpeall an chathair le MarioKart. So catá gceist le MarioKart? Is MarioKart tours timpeall car Tokyo go-kart gléasta mar caractéirí agsúla. Is mis Superman nu. Well, Chara cachan sibh Superman.
An sráideanna is fearr lom ná Batman. A céhé an sráideanna is fearr leat. Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, Iron Man. Scríb de freigra sa comments hios.
Today we're going to be riding a lot of go-karts around the streets of Japan. And they're like professionally done go-karts. And we get to dress up as well. That's why I chose Spider-Man. Sorry about that.
If you come to Tokyo, I highly recommend to ride the MarioKart because we drive along Tokyo. You can see lots of place.
Okay, Bandai. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, Bandai!
Bhí Michael Griffin MarioKart.